This is how to export MongoDB database. The easiest to do it is using Compass. Run your Compass and connect your project and choose your database you want to export. Let's say shirt, and select your collection to be exported. If you want to export men, click this collection and click export data and click export the full collection. You can choose JSON or CSV and click export. Then name your JSON file and click select. And if you want to export your second collection, just click it and the same process, export data, export the full collection, choose JSON or CSV and click export and name your JSON file, click select, and that's it. So this is how to export MongoDB database.